Exercise number 10. Your dictation will start in 3 seconds. Start. In a country as large as India, with its social diversities and with a growing population, the problems of reconstruction are bound to be colossal, and the needs in the spread of education, growing of sufficient food, provision of housing or other basic amenities to the people are continuous and ever increasing stock. But in meeting these needs, our unshakable aim is the building of an equitable society and an economic system in which there will be no exploitation of man by man stock para. We have yet a long way to travel before we can make any claim to success stop. We have resources in land, water, and minerals such as very few countries have stop. Even making allowance for the vagaries of the weather, the country is capable of achieving self sufficiency in regard to the basic requirements of our people stop. An integrated service oriented program is an essential precondition for this stop. I have always advocated that planning for development to be realistic has to be started from the village level stop. I am glad that there is today in increasing realization of the need for this stop. Plans and programs are not intended to be mere assessment charts or arithmetical projections of national resources stop. Our commitment to the gigantic but inescapable task of removal or poverty is a mandate for our people, and it has to be fulfilled in the quickest possible time and in the smoothest possible manner stop. The task must be tackled on a war footing, and this calls for collective effort and collective wisdom on the part of every group and every individual in the country. Stop. The sources of the country, whether at the disposal of the states or at the disposal of the union, are the common assets of the nation. Stop. Whether in the matter of sharing interstate water or power in the equitable distribution of essential commodities including food supplies or in the distribution of cement and steel for construction activities, to cite only a few examples, the guiding principle should be that we do the maximum good to our people as a whole stop. The prosperity and progress of every part of India is the concern of the whole nation stop. Every Indian born in this country has a right and a claim to an equal share in that prosperity and progress stop. The state has a duty to take special care of the weaker sections of the community and the backward areas in different parts of the country in helping to build them up. The approach should be a positive program by which they will come up to the level of the rest of community. Stop.